Italy. The name conjures images of sun-drenched vineyards, rolling hills, and ancient cities. It's a country that tantalizes all the senses. The aroma of freshly baked bread mingles with blooming jasmine. The vibrant colors of hand-painted ceramics pop against weathered stone facades. Italy invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and truly live. Whether exploring Rome, basking in the Tuscan sun, or getting lost in Venice, Italy promises an unforgettable journey. Italy's history is as rich and layered as its lasagna. From the Roman Empire to the Renaissance, Italy has been at the forefront of Western civilization. Walk the cobbled streets of Rome, and you'll be walking in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators. Stand in the shadow of the Colosseum, and you can almost hear the roar of the crowd. Visit Pompeii, frozen in time by Vesuvius, and glimpse daily life of ancient Romans. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, is an open-air museum with masterpieces by Michelangelo, da Vinci, and Botticelli. Each city, each town has its own story to tell, a unique chapter in Italy's grand narrative. Italy is an architectural wonderland, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of its people. The Colosseum stands as a testament to Roman power and engineering. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an accidental marvel, has become an icon of Italy. The canals of Venice weave a magical spell with their gondolas and bridges. Every corner reveals hidden gems, a frescoed church, a tranquil courtyard, a charming piazza. The Duomo of Florence, with its iconic dome, is a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. The Pantheon in Rome, with its awe-inspiring dome, is a testament to the architectural genius of the ancient Romans. A symphony of flavors, Italian culinary delights. Italian cuisine celebrates simple, fresh ingredients transformed into culinary masterpieces. Pasta, in all its glorious shapes and forms, is the cornerstone of Italian cuisine. Pizza, a Naples-born creation, has conquered the world with its thin crust, wood-fired perfection. Italian cuisine is much more than just pasta and pizza. It's about the creamy richness of gelato, the intense flavors of espresso, and the delicate sweetness of tiramisu. Italy is home to some of the world's finest wines, from the bold reds of Tuscany to the crisp whites of Veneto. Whether enjoying a glass with a meal or savoring it on its own, Italian wine is an experience to be savored. A tapestry of regions, Italy's diverse heritage. Italy's beauty lies in its regional diversity. From the snow-capped Alps in the north to the sun-drenched beaches of Sicily in the south, Italy is a land of contrasts. The north, with its industrial heartland and sophisticated cities like Milan and Turin, is a testament to Italy's economic powerhouse. The south, with its laid-back vibe and ancient ruins, evokes a sense of timeless beauty. Tuscany, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and Renaissance cities, is the heart of Italy. Venice, with its canals and gondolas, is a world unto itself. Exploring Italy's regions is like embarking on a journey through different worlds, each with its own unique flavor and allure. Italy. An unforgettable journey awaits. Italy is more than just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've returned home. It's the taste of that perfect plate of pasta, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of laughter echoing through cobbled streets. It's the art, the history, the culture, the people, all woven together to create a tapestry of pure magic. Italy beckons you to explore, indulge, and lose yourself in its beauty. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your appetite for adventure, and prepare to be enchanted by Italy. Discover the magic that awaits you in the heart of Italy.